Good day to you traders. It's Monday, July 26, 2021, and we have a trade for you today. It's not a cherry bomb trade, so I know many of you may tune in for cherry bomb trades that come from Tasty Trade. We do those Tuesday through Friday, but today is going to be a me trade, my idea. Hopefully, you like today's trade because we're looking at the Qs. Qs have low IV rank right now as a IV rank of 5, but the super liquid with 4 drops of liquidity. Those are stars in Tasty Works. So we're going to look at a long put vertical. Now, uh, reasoning behind this one is we've seen 5 straight green candles in a row, and we've hit the upper Bollinger Band. And it does look like the overnight futures are seeing a pop in the VIX and a drop in all of the U.S. indices right now. So I think we're due for a little bit of a correction. Granted, if you look at the chart, you'll see that it's been really close, hugging that upper Bollinger Band for all the way back since May 12th. It's, wow, right? It's been on a rise up. So, you know, either way, let's take a look at this trade and get it done, shall we? Hello, right clicking on things. There we go. Let's change that. There we are. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. And you can see we have that chart pulled up. And this was May 12th that I was talking about, where it hit the bottom band and then began its climb up and then hugged that upper Bollinger Band for quite some time. It dipped again recently, then gave us 5 days straight of green candles. And I'm feeling like it's an opportunity to take a small amount of risk for the next 50-something days. I don't remember much, but we're about to go do that. So anyway, I just want to ask if you can stick around to the end, watch the video to the end. It does help me. I do appreciate that if you could hook me up there. Thank you so much, but let's get going. All right, go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. I have the September monthlies. September. All right. That's 53 days away today. And when I buy options, I don't mind buying the time, right? All right. So here we are. We're going to look at buying the 369 and selling the 367, right? So we've got one contract, one vertical, looking at an 80-cent debit, and we're able to then, of course, because it's $2 wide, we're looking at potentially making $120. Let's check our probabilities. Head over to the risk profile. I've got the date in the top right corner set to the same date you see in the bottom left corner in turquoise, 9/18. Got my price slice set to break even at expiration. We're looking at a 53% probability of profit that we would call this one, right? I have the same trade pulled up in Tastyworks. I'm going to put that on screen for you right now. And so you can see here that this is a 53% pop, probability of profit, and a P50 of 60%. So not bad probabilities for a long vertical or a debit spread, right? So let's go ahead. Let's pop back into Tastyworks. And I want to put this one here, friends. We're going to right click it. It's going to choose confirm and send. It's going to pop up on my screen, but you won't see it until I do this. There it is. There's the $120 we could make. We know we have a 60% probability of making half that, $60 in the next 53 days. That's fine. Lots of little wins, lots of higher probabilities. All right, we could lose $80 if it continues to keep just moving like a freight train on upwards. But I want to do this, and I also want to see about, in the IRA, doing a simulated or synthetic short position using puts. So let's give that a try. Let's go ahead and hit send. We're going to go over and we're going to change our view again so we can actually see screen better. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. I'm going to switch over to the IRA account. And what I want to do is go to the Add the Money area where we already are. And here's a 50 delta. Here's a 50 delta. So if I go ahead, and I think I normally would, I'm going to sell this call, buy this put on the control key, right? And my risk is to the upside. So in order to make this IRA friendly, I have to define some protection up here in round about the 5 delta, which they're, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to hold down the control key and buy this. Awesome. So I believe we've got that set up now. Let's go over to the risk profile, take a look at what we got going on. Let's set that price slice to break even. Right? We're looking at a 52% probability of profit on this one. And so the max loss that we have on this one, let's down there, that. The max loss is $3,744, right? Which is, you know, hey, when you're shorting something, infinite risk. In this case, you don't have infinite risk. You have defined risk, and you have the ability to make lots of money, right? So I want to compare the two. Let's see what happens. I'm risking a lot of money, yes, more than I've made this year in the IRA, but I just want to see what happens. If I don't like what's happening, that's okay. I'm gonna, I'm gonna learn. That's what we do here, by the way. This is simulated trading. So if you're wanting to try out strategies, you're just not ready to risk your real dollars, join us. Hit that subscribe button. That's a quick plug there. Right click the trade, choose confirm and send. Let me turn this full screen off again. You'll see here, we could make $36,756. We could lose $3,744. So here's a way to take a short position and define your risk and do it in an IRA too, by the way. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Boom. There we are. All right, friends. Thanks so much for joining us. Big thumbs up to you. If you think I earned a thumbs up, there's the thumbs up button you could hit there. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, there is that subscribe, and ring that bell, by the way, so that you can be notified when our videos come out. Lastly, we do cherry bombs mostly in this channel. So to get those in your inbox from Tasty Trade, not from me, head on to the description, click the link. You'll sign up for their cherry bomb emails. You'll get them as well. All right. Well, I see you tomorrow, everybody. May the market be with you.